once he was sedated, he just laid there and took several gasps. I counted probably more than 600 gasps during the nearly 2 hours that it took for him to die. But he was sedated, so all we heard very occasionally was him snoring, and that was when the doctors went and checked on him and came on the microphone and said that he was sedated. That was really the only time that we were able to have audio of what was going on. It was nerve-wracking because it went on so much longer than expected. There were a lot of kind of glances exchanged between people, the attorneys and the media witnesses, and there just generally was kind of an air of nervousness about why it was taking so long. The victim's family seemed pretty disturbed. At one point before Mr. Wood was executed, he turned around and gave them a pretty wide smile that they interpreted as him kind of mocking them. After the execution, they spoke to the media and they were very outraged, really, that the media had focused so much on the drug combination and on the issues surrounding the legal issues surrounding the execution as opposed to what the family had been through.